you create wonderful music too. And your music makes me feel that you can tolerate under 5 minutes. So I'm going to give it a try. Thank you very much for this wonderful evening. And thank you very much. For the last 5 years, now this year we come across an idea. We promote the Taiwanese music, and we think once a year we create some music for you that's not good enough to promote us. So we decided to give it a try. We try to bring the music to your home. So we prepare a souvenir for you. For two types of people who are here tonight, we want to give you a present. We want to give you perhaps the first edition of the sheet music that has Taiwanese song in it. For two types of people, we'd like to give you this gift. So if you fall into these two types, please remember to pick up your copy of the music before you go home. The first type of people we'd like to give you this gift is people who care enough to give us $1 as a token of support. If you think, go ahead and give you what you're doing, and give us $1 at the base somewhere in the reception area. We'll give you that music for kids, and you can bring the music home and you can play with your kids, your parents, enjoy it. The second type of people would like to give you this souvenir. If you care enough